Sales have been slowing at national restaurant chains like Red Lobster, TGI Fridays, and the Cheesecake Factory recently due to the increase in gas prices. To make matters worse, more and more people are discovering that they can save money by making their favorite restaurant dishes at home following the step-by-step instructions of Master Chef Ron Douglas. The so-called secret recipes of these billion-dollar restaurants have now been exposed and shared with the world in the cooking instructional guide America's Restaurant Recipes. Douglas is facing major pressure to take down his site and discontinue all sales of his secret recipe cookbooks. But he continues to thumb his nose at the greedy restaurant executives in support of the budget-constrained home cook. Anyone looking to duplicate their favorite restaurant recipes should pick up America's Restaurant Recipes now before it's forced off the market. Finally, you can stop waiting on those long lines at restaurants to pay for dishes you can quickly make in your own kitchen. Recreate your favorite restaurant dishes at home for a fraction of the cost by following these easy step-by-step instructions. Get kudos and praise from friends and family members when they find out you actually made these delicious dishes yourself. Uncover the cooking techniques used by world-class chefs from famous restaurants. Discover the secrets to making your favorite restaurant recipes at home. Go to the link below this video.